Have you ever thought about the benefits of a driveway gate? It's more than just a fancy addition to your home. It's a symbol of security, privacy, and elegance. Imagine the peace of mind knowing your property is protected, day and night. A well-placed driveway gate can deter potential intruders, offering enhanced security. Plus, it keeps prying eyes at bay, providing you with the privacy you crave. But it's not just about safety and seclusion. A driveway gate can also boost your home's curb appeal, making a grand first impression. And here's a bonus. It could even lead to reduced insurance premiums. With a driveway gate, you're not just investing in a piece of equipment, you're investing in peace of mind. So, you've decided a driveway gate is a good idea, but how do you choose the right one? Let's break it down. You've got to consider a few things: cost, functionality, and maintenance requirements. Now, there's a variety of gates to choose from. You have automatic gates for convenience, front gates made from different materials for aesthetic appeal, and single or double gates for varying levels of security. And don't forget about the choice between swinging or sliding gates, depending on your property's layout. Remember, choosing the right driveway gate is about balancing your needs and preferences with your budget and maintenance capabilities. Why should you choose ornamental fence products for your driveway gate needs? Well, the answer lies in the value we offer. It's not just about providing you with a gate, it's about delivering a unique blend of security, dependability, and style, tailored to your specific needs. Our personalized customer service is second to none, ensuring that you get the right gate, be it swinging or sliding, single or double. With our wide range of iron gates and fences, you'll be spoilt for choice. And the best part? We serve customers throughout the continental United States. With ornamental fence products, you're investing in a product and a company that values your safety, privacy, and satisfaction.